we try to really stimulate and help the companies to improve their level of achievement, the level of the results. So that's really the contribution that we have, and all inspired by sports tools. I hope that I will not be so disappointing that you only will be motivated. For us, motivation, with motivated players, I don't have any chance to qualify for the next Olympics in Rio. The role of the managers is to activate all sources of energy. You should activate all sources of energy. Make the future visible. Every company has an ambition, a vision. You should make it tangible.
Yeah, but what happens if the past is somehow not successful?
That's it. You have to, that's the courage of the organization to publish on the wall of the past the good things, but also the bad things. But do you know what means the logo of your company? Do employees know? Do you make the internal marketing? Do you create the pride to wear the logo of the company when you are as an ambassador representing your company? Solidarity, teamwork. If I have just an collection of individuals, we will not win the game. So the feeling that I belong to the team, the teamwork, the will to work as a team, that's a feeling that you have to stimulate. For sure in the companies, we have a lot of players who are really smart, high level of IQ, but do they have the capacity to also manage their feelings, to connect with others' feelings, to play as a team, to wear the shirt for the team? It's not just a question of being smart, it's not just a question of being engaged, motivated, committed, it's also a question of physical capacity. Energy management is not a business topic. In sport, energy management is key. It's not just having talented players. It takes more than skills to represent your country. When you manage your people, it's just the same. It's during the pit stops, the timeouts, that you will make the difference. You are coaches. You lead your team. It's not when your team is on the track, the team is on the field, that you influence them. It's when you organize your pit stop with your team that you influence them. So the quality of the pit stop, the content of the pit stop is key. You are in danger of speed. It's not the fastest of the race who win the race. Winning the race today is a question of tempo. Today, I'm sitting with the players and sitting with the players, and we build it together. The fact that I involve them makes much bigger impact on the players. You see the difference? Many organizations are not learning organizations. We focus a lot on learnings. Every game is debriefed to optimize for the next game. In many organizations, we don't take the time to debrief because Chris, after this, has another meeting, and we never stop. So lack of pit stops means lack of lessons learned. So we have completely to change the way we manage people today. We have to adapt to the needs of the player. In the past, tell was the classic way. Tell ideas, tell instructions, tell the solutions. Today, the EQ is much more important if you want to involve. So we see the big switch between the classic tell on IQ, tell solutions, tell ideas, tell instructions, to ask on EQ. And that's really the way we involve the players today. But some leaders say, I don't decide to change my leadership style. Change is unstoppable, but grow is optional. The challenge of the companies is how to stimulate the personal growth, how to stimulate people to change and to accept that change will be part of the process. That's today the challenge.